Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, we have a collaboration with the Home Decor Luxe Club for the month of August. We call it Vlogust, and that's being hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So now the co-host of this collaboration is Creations by Simone, The Rogers House, DIY Design by CCW, Amethyst Adventures, The Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's me, and Miriam Creative Corner. Okay, so let's head on over here to the video so you guys know what I'm doing. I decided today to decorate a tablescape, and I decided to do it in neutrals and in black. And we are throwing in a touch of buffalo check, so let's just enjoy this video. I think this tablescape came out absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channels down below in the description box along with the playlist. So make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what we decided to do on Vlogust. Now, as in all collaborations, we ask you to use YouTube etiquette. So now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you guys. Now, if you're not subscribed to my channel and enjoy my videos, I ask you to subscribe and make sure and hit that notification bell where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. Now, I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I finish decorating this table for you, and I'll see you toward the end. Now let's take a quick look at this table. So toward the back where my window is, I have some black vases. The center one was a DIY, and I did spray paint the vases in black. I used some white stone that I spray painted in black to give some texture to the top of that middle vase, and also I placed it on a beige or neutral stand that I spray painted also. All of these items came from the Dollar Tree. Now toward the back end of the table, those are DIYs that I also did in neutral and in black and placed some florals in. If we head on over to the tablecloth I thrifted at the Salvation Army. Okay, so the buffalo check placemats were a great buy at the Dollar Tree. I also got the charger and the dishes from the Dollar Tree. If we move on over to the glassware, that I thrifted at the Salvation Army. And then we head on over to the flatware. The flatware the Dollar Tree carries in their party section already in the cloth sleeve. So we're using that, and then the cloth napkin that I thrifted at the Goodwill, and then I place a nice little napkin dress on the napkin. Okay, so I'm ready to head on over to the reveal. So let's take a closer look here at this whole scenery, this whole table, this ambiance is absolutely wonderful. And this can be taken all the way through the fall and right before Christmas. Now I do want to take a moment and thank the host, Lady Allie, for hosting this collab along with all the beautiful co-hosts. Okay, so I'm absolutely loving the neutral look and I hope that you like it too. It is gorgeous. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you next Saturday at 6. Guys, I couldn't help mentioning that fern that I placed in the napkin that gave it that awesome touch.